In this video, I show you how to fix Play Store could not update apps problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, tap on it, then tap on see all apps or find out here Play Store. Now tap on Google Play Store, then tap on force stop, then OK, then tap on storage and cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now go back, then click on permission, scroll down, then allow all permission. Now go back, then find out Google Play service, tap on Google Play service, tap on storage and clear cache. Now open Play Store. Tap on your profile icon, tap on my apps and games. Now click on update available. Now tap on update all. You can see that my app is updating one by one. Now I hope that this method fixed Play Store could not update apps problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.